Breakfast. Psych. What we doing? We're going out for breakfast because we're literally sick of the hotel breakfast. Are you not getting the beach towel? The towel?
Yeah, the towel.
Are you sure we're allowed to take it?
Well, probably not, but it's fine.
They're gonna be like, what are you doing? They will, the guy gives you the towel.
He probably thinks we're coming to the middle pool. Okay. Oh my god, it's so hot.
Actually, you could probably get the beach towels from the middle pool too. I think I saw them there. Let's just go and look there.
So hot.
It's a bit too hot. I'm joking.
It is too hot. Considering it's 10:15. This isn't like prime heat. This isn't even when we go, it's gonna get like 40 almost.
Yeah, maybe it's a good thing that we weren't here when it's that hot.
It's actually too hot. I think I would die.
No, it's humid now as well. It's not just hot.
Humid.
I can feel the humidity.
Me too.
How are we back here? In less than 24 hours, we're back.
The pancakes and the smoothie bowl.
Where are you going? It's through here, no? This is where we get the table set. You have to go through here.
Didn't we come this way yesterday?
No, we went this way. This is where they are. How the hell are we back here? What if they recognise
I just want to
us?
go and sit with the cat.
No way. We're too close to the cat anyway right now. As it is. Yeah, but we're so close to the door.
Yes.
One classic.
Yes.
One, it's so fluffy.
Yes.
We also get the 2 hash browns that I don't.
Yeah.
And then one salt coffee and one egg coffee.
You want a coffee hot or icing?
Ice.
I am both of them, right?
Yeah. I haven't had pancakes in so long.
These look like not real.
I haven't had shop pancakes in so long. Thank you.
Well, the maple syrup's so thick.
I don't know if it's maple. Oh, there's dragon fruit, the white dragon fruit.
What we ordered. They're cute though.
Vitamin C. Vitamin sun.
What are you on about?
Do you not know that thing, like vitamin C, but SEA?
Oh, that's so dead. That was so dead.
Get a thing where it's like half shaded, half not shaded.
Okay.
I want to be in the shade.
I want to be in the sun.
Yeah, I know. That's what I get, half.
You should get some sun.
I'm getting it.
So, people beep a lot, but not because they're annoyed. They don't ever get road rage.
No, they beep to get out of the way.
They beep to say like, I'm here, watch out.
Or move out of the way.
Sometimes, but rarely.
Where was the Maya beach place? You sure?
I kind of want a coconut.
Well, right now?
Yeah, I'll have a break.
Yeah, I need to have a break, honestly.
Let's go to like a swim section.
Yeah, they're dotted around everywhere.
Yeah, it's great. So it's 40,000 for one sunbed
Yeah.
and 100,000 for one towel. What's this one?
Just spin. You just spin. You have to hold on and spin.
What's this doing?
Your abs.
It's not doing that.
No, let's go.
Fuck it off.
Just jump on. We're at the beach. So hot, so sweaty. Huh?
I think we have to go in the sea.
Not right. I don't want to go right now anyway.
It's too hot.
Are you going now?
Hi.
I'm just gonna wait. There's two types of beach people. Ones that like to go into the sea. Ones that just like to chill.
Good. You just have to like stand there and let two big waves hit you,
Yeah.
and you're totally cool.
Did you go in fully?
I got wet up to like here,
Really?
but I didn't want to go too deep because I'm scared.
Yeah.
But some people are so deep by themselves, and there's like literal kids, so I feel embarrassed that I'm not going in. But I'll wait for you if you want to go in.
Yeah.
To go in deeper.
Maybe in a bit.
It's good though. I feel like
Refreshed.
yeah, and it actually does feel warmer. Like the other day.
Well, it's gonna be warmer tomorrow.
After saying he's not going back in the sea, there he is, the green bucket hat, back at it. I thought you weren't going in.
I wasn't.
And then
I need to put Vaseline on. Second beach day complete, and now we're off to the market to buy
what was mine?
Air Forces.
Oh yeah, another pair of trainers.
Yeah.
And I really want a t-shirt.
T-shirt? What t-shirt? Oh yeah. Got a 40-minute walk.
I kind of want a juice.
This is the juice
That's
spot.
right.
This is the spot we got juice from last time.
This one?
Yeah, do you want to get it from here?
Yeah.
It's here somewhere.
Yeah, ice cream. Did you get the mango smoothie?
Yeah.
That looks nice. I'm gonna get that.
I'm gonna get orange juice.
Okay. Can we have one mango smoothie, please, and one orange juice? No sugar?
No sugar, no.
No sugar.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey. Oh. Ooh. I just don't know.
I've tried it before. Alright, stop it. Shoe person. See if you get your shoes. Do you remember the way? I think it's down. It's somewhere in the middle, right? The staircase. Oh yeah.
This is my local.
Like you.
I know my way around.
All your shoes are from here now. Do you think she'll remember us?
I'm sure.
I doubt it.
I'm sure. Are you joking? She called me pretty.
Oh yeah. She probably does that to
If
everyone.
she doesn't, then I'm going to be offended.
Oh, it looks busy, I'm not gonna lie.
It's hot. I think that's why it's like. Normally we come in the evening when it's colder, but it's like 30-degree heat.
Yeah. Mission failed. You couldn't find any shoes or anything.
Anything.
How could you not find anything? There's so many.
We went to one shop and I saw. What did I see? I saw a skirt. And I was like, how much is it? And then she told me, and then I was like, oh, like whatever. I kept looking, and then I saw a dress, and she looked at me, and I was like, how much? She was like, she looked at me, and she was like, expensive. And I was like, okay, but how much? And she was like, $500 or something.
Ooh.
And then, but like twice she was like, expensive. She looked at me like that. I think she thought, well, Pavo.
Probably.
Couldn't afford it.
Anyway, back to the hotel, yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we heading off to? Huh?
Dinner.
Michelin star.
I don't know. There are quite a few. It's Michelin Guide, which is different.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. I
What the hell?
don't think a Michelin star is the same as Michelin Guide.
Well, at least that means.
Because there are like 7 Michelin Guide restaurants here.
Oh.
We've been to one.
So
and
it's
it was
not
pretty
Michelin
good.
star?
No, I don't think so.
Well, search it up, because what if we've just been lying to ourselves?
I knew the whole time.
Well, at least someone's like reviewed it, and it's Michelin.
Michelin Guide versus Michelin Star. Yeah, a Michelin Guide is a comprehensive guide that lists and rates restaurants, while Michelin stars are the highest accolades awarded within the guide.
Oh.
So a star is not a guide. A guide is like, well done, you're good. A star is like, wow, A star, well done.
Oh god.
Yeah.
So this whole time we've been lying to ourselves.
No, you've been lying to yourself. I knew. How did you not know that?
I don't know. You said we're going. It's a Michelin star restaurant.
Did
so
I say that?
You did.
If I said it, then
You said it's a Michelin star restaurant, so I thought it was the ones that we've been eating at. Oh well. At least there's a guide still. At least you know someone's like
Yeah.
it's still reviewed alright.
I don't know though. The Google reviews are also trustworthy. People
Is this
usually
the
go on
Uber?
that. Ends in 04. Also,
Yeah, it's this one.
what's the map?
Alright, we've made it to the Michelin guide. Oh, Michelin star.
Michelin
Clean your
star.
camera from here.
Oh gosh. Can you clean it? I'll just use your towel.
Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Upstairs, yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Ciao. Just outside? Oh, in the car. Anyway. Oh, here. Thank you.
Oh look.
Oh. Thank you.
Just for you.
It's because there's loads of tourists that come
Because
here.
I called them a toast.
There's loads of tourists that come here, so. Well, we've got chicken and the fried pork, right?
Anyway, initial thoughts, that's like a 10.
It's really good. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
This
The
looks
stuffed
good.
aubergine with pork. We're gonna go on fried rice.
You can't come to a foreign country without going to McDonald's. But look what they have. A dipped McDonald's ice cream. I kind of want to try the dessert. Look at the matcha Oreo McFlurry.
What dessert?
These ones.
These?
Yeah,
Nah,
maybe.
They won't be good.
Oh.
It's been left out in that thing for so long.
The matcha Oreo McFlurry is intriguing. Might need to try that tomorrow. 30,000. How much is that? £93p for two. That's crazy. I haven't seen this bridge so empty.
What a coincidence.
That's so crazy.
That's why there's no cars coming this way.
Yeah.
And all the boats are lined up, look.
It's so quiet. Yeah, this makes so much sense.
But I think that was it.
Surely it's still breathing fire. What's that orange thing?
I don't think it is. Oh, we can't see it from the side though. Let's
I can
walk.
see it now. I can actually feel how hot it is.
I think that's it. It's done.